Hello, I'm Ivana Drama. I play Sidney Poitier.
I'm Stanley Townsend. I play Mr. Larry Parks.
I'm Oliver Johnston. I play Bobby.
This dreamscape is set in 1955, a hot corner office in New York. So if you imagine Mad Men and that sort of era of sort of business taking off.
The show is set in my office. He's an entertainment lawyer called Mr. Larry Parks. He's just signed the contract with our writer. The guy who's written, he's a writer in the play, and we're anticipating the arrival of Sidney Poitier, who's about to sign his contract to do the job that this character has written. But there's just a couple of little caveats before you sign, Sidney.
If you're a fan of the Hollywood golden era or cinema, or kind of want to see something entertaining, quick, full of heart, then
Funny.
this is funny. This is the kind of, it's the kind of play you want to see.
I think so.
I'd definitely go and see it.